When it comes to creating an inviting and attractive home, your front door plays a central role. It's the first thing people see when they visit your home, and it sets the tone for the rest of the property. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enhance its curb appeal, door replacement in Austin is a great way to make a lasting first impression. Upgrading your front door can improve your home's aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency. Here's why a front door upgrade is essential and how to choose the right one to maximize your home's first impression. Curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. The front door is a focal point of your home's exterior, and a new, stylish door can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal. In Austin, where homes come in a variety of architectural styles, ranging from modern and sleek to traditional and rustic, the front door is an opportunity to reflect your personal taste and complement the design of your home. Upgrading your front door can bring new life to your property. Whether you prefer a classic wood door, a sleek modern steel design, or a stylish fiberglass door, the right choice will immediately elevate your home's look. Adding details such as decorative glass panels, elegant hardware, or bold color choices can help make your front door stand out and create a more inviting entrance. If you're unsure about what style or material suits your home, working with a professional door replacement company in Austin can help guide you to the best options based on your home's architecture and your personal preferences. Boosting property value. One of the main reasons homeowners consider door replacement in Austin is to increase the value of their property. A well-chosen, high-quality front door is one of the most cost-effective ways to add value to your home, whether you're planning to sell in the near future or just want to increase its market appeal. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with a welcoming front entrance, and a high-quality door can serve as a major selling point. A new front door can give your home a more modern, polished look, making it more attractive to buyers. It can also signal that the home has been well maintained and updated, which can justify a higher asking price. When you choose a door that enhances both function and design, you're making a smart investment in your home's long-term value. Improved security is a top concern for homeowners, and the front door is one of the most vulnerable points of entry. Old, outdated doors may have weak frames, inadequate locks, or damaged glass that make it easier for burglars to break in. Replacing your front door with a modern, secure model is a simple way to significantly improve your home's security. Many new front doors come with reinforced frames, stronger locks, and impact-resistant glass, which makes them much more difficult to force open or break. In Austin, where the community is growing and property crime can be a concern in certain areas, upgrading your front door can provide peace of mind, knowing your home is better protected from intruders. Additionally, smart locks and keyless entry systems can add convenience while enhancing security, giving you better control over access to your home. Energy efficiency. In Austin's climate, where summers can be extremely hot and winters relatively mild, energy efficiency is key. If your front door is old, it may not be providing proper insulation, leading to drafts, heat loss in the winter, and heat gain in the summer. This can increase your energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to keep your home at a comfortable temperature. When you replace your front door with an energy-efficient model, you can improve your home's insulation and reduce your energy consumption. Look for doors with energy-efficient ratings, such as insulated fiberglass or steel doors, which provide better temperature regulation and are often equipped with weather stripping or energy-efficient glass. Not only will you save money on utility bills, but you'll also make your home more comfortable year-round. Noise reduction. In urban areas like Austin, noise pollution from traffic, neighbors, or local events can often make its way into your home. A new front door with proper insulation and soundproofing materials can reduce the amount of external noise that enters your living space, creating a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Upgrading to solid core doors or insulated steel doors can help reduce the amount of noise coming from the outside. Whether you live near a busy street or just want to create a more serene indoor environment, a door replacement can help you enjoy a more peaceful and quiet living space. Low maintenance and longevity. Old, wooden doors often require regular maintenance, such as sanding, repainting, and sealing, especially in Austin's hot, humid climate. Over time, wood can warp, crack, or rot, leading to a door that's less functional and less aesthetically pleasing. Choosing fiberglass or steel doors for your door replacement can save you time and money in maintenance. These materials are low maintenance, durable, and weather resistant, which means they won't warp or rot over time. They also don't require regular painting or sealing, making them a practical choice for homeowners who want a hassle-free, long-lasting door. Final thoughts. Your front door is much more than just an entry point. It's an essential element of your home's overall security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Door replacement in Austin is a worthwhile investment that enhances your home's appearance while offering long-term benefits such as improved security, energy savings, and increased property value. Whether you're upgrading to a more modern, secure door or simply want to refresh the look of your home, replacing your front door is one of the most effective ways to make a lasting first impression and enjoy a more comfortable, secure home. With the wide variety of options available in Austin, there's no better time to invest in a front door upgrade that enhances both style and function.